Welcome back, Gangies. As you can tell, I'm wearing the same outfit from yesterday. It's kind of where we're at these days. Um, yeah, that being the case, I think we're a little short on time today, so we're definitely going to do a shorter session. I'm going to say we're probably going to lock in for about 20 minutes. Dummy late where I am. I also haven't eaten yet. So, that is what I am thinking. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but we shall see. That being the caseons, yeah, a lot of work recently. Got the new router today. Hoping to add some parental controls, lock the system down. I didn't really get a chance to set it up today. It's kind of balls. Yeah, I would say that's where that is. But I'm thinking about switching from daily videos to weekly videos. I would still record every day, but I wouldn't post it. I could do like a supercut video every week. Kind of a bit of work though. I'd do the same thing I do now, except cut up, which could be more interesting. So, yeah, be interesting to see. Be interesting to see if that is the wave. I'm thinking maybe it'll be. I'm thinking it'll be kind of a nutty type. I'm thinking it's going to be a weird mix of LeetCode style vlog. We shall see. Who knows? Who absolutely knows? We do have some comments though. I think we have a comment. Double check. Yeah, we do. So we have topics out of the hexahedron. Kind of a fire name, actually. Kind of deep. I have to rename the Discord to that. Topics out of the hexahedron. Comment says, "Sir, you are great. Love from India." Hey, brother, love from the States. Love to see comments like this. Feels strong, man. Now we got to go extra hard today. I'm going to add about 10 seconds to our potential session today just because the homeboy sent some love. So love truly is the accelerant, right? And the fuel for the human body. So, hey, it be like that. And then we got topics getting right into the meat of the business. Are you earning money from YouTube? I don't think we're earning anything from YouTube. I mean, I think you guys can see my setup. I don't think it's possible. If I check earn, right? Yeah, I don't have enough public watch hours or shorts views. Yeah, I don't have enough public watch hours or shorts views. So maybe once we get there, it'll make sense. But yeah, I don't think there's a ton of. I don't know if there's a ton of value to post. Posting every day is pretty cool, but I also less. There's probably less value for the user. I mean, for the watcher. So maybe once a week could probably give more, or more engagement probably. Who knows? Should we spam more clickable, engaging content with thumbnails that mimic the top YouTubers, the top YouTubers? That is the real question. Probably not, right? But yeah, I don't know. We shall see. I kind of just blabber and see where we end up. But today we're gonna sign up for 20 minutes and 10 seconds, not 18 hours. Okay. Okay. We're just gonna say 20 minutes. And yeah, yesterday we were working on valid Sudoku. We kind of cooked this one, I'm not gonna lie. It took about 20 minutes. Kind of worrisome though, because this problem isn't too bad. Probably shouldn't have taken us that long, but it is what it is. We are where we are. We have a next problem called count and say. This problem has actually a crazy number of dislikes. And I think the Copy Ninja was quoted as saying, one should just skip these problems because they have such like amounts. Yeah, so we have the count and say sequence. We have the problem here. The count and say sequence is a sequence of digit strings defined by the recursive formula count and say 1. So counts 1 and says 1, defined by the recursive formula. Count and say n is the way you would say the digit string from count and say n minus 1, which is then converted into a different digit string. To determine how you say a digit string, split it into the minimal number of substrings such that each substring contains exactly one unique digit. To determine how you say a digit string, split it into the minimal number of substrings such that each substring contains exactly one unique digit. Then for each substring, say the number of digits, then say the digit. Finally, concatenate every said. For example, saying in conversion for digit string 3322251 is, count and say 2 3s, 3 2s, and 1 5 and 1 1. Given a positive integer n, return the nth term of the count and say sequence. Okay, what do this even mean? This might be anything. Might be anything. Let me read this problem again. Count and say sequence is a sequence of digit strings defined by the recursive formula. We say count and say 1, we'd like to return 1. Count and say n is the way you would say the digit string from count and say n minus 1, which is then converted into a different digit string. Determine how you say a digit string, split it into the minimal number of substrings such that each substring contains exactly one unique digit. Then for each substring, say the number of digits, then say the digit. Finally, concatenate every said digit. For example, the saying in conversion for digit string 33251. Yeah, this makes no sense to me. Maybe I'm confused, but I'm also it's been a long day. 3 2 2 2 2 5 1 2 3s 3 2s 1 5 and would have made more sense to use the picture up here in the actual example below. Either way, they say count and say 4, say 2 1. Doesn't make we say 1 and there's 1 1. We say 1 1. Okay, 1. You say 2 1s. Then we say 2 1. Yeah, this doesn't make any sense to me. I'm just gonna change the base case. Oh, we're given a number, so I guess it's the same. Oh, I think is it literally just for one we have 1. If we change case 2 to 2, I'm just gonna turn empty strings. I literally have no idea what they're wanting. right? And then if we do 3, we'll count and say this input, and we'll get 2, 1, right? If I add a case, then if we in the 4th case, I'll put it so base case is 1, we have 1. We get to 2 and we say, okay, say that there's 1, now we count. Say 1, 1, 1. Add that, I guess. Okay, base case is 1. Say 1, 1, 1. Okay, base case, say 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay, I think I get this. Okay, let output equal 1 start. I plus. Just gonna make a function called calculate string given a output. Output calculate. Oop, I'm in Swift mode. Do this, we're gonna app. We'll process the map afterwards. We'll say key comma occurrence of map, or let eyes lock I plus plus will plus we only ever had two, so I actually don't know what I'm doing here. I think we just need to flip it actually. Say string plus equal lock and key. So for this one we get 1 1. For 1 1 we'd get 2 1. For 2 1 we would get 1 2 1 1. I feel like this works. I don't know how they're getting 3 1 2 2 1. Maybe instead of doing equal, we'll do plus. Yeah, I don't get it. I think the calculate version can't work with the map. Find move the declaration of the map. Actually, I current string is add that. String. Actually, let count. Say what if 1, right? Count 1. As soon as that isn't correct, count will be 1. Say the number of occurrences are actually going to count. Actual number is going to be s sub I minus 1. No, it'll just be s sub I. I think we're missing one last piece for the end. Let's just say we're counting 5. Pick 5. Do s plus 1. It doesn't equal s plus 1, so we'll do, yeah. I think we're actually okay. All right, I think we'll take it and we'll hop off there.